We spent a full day. I go tell the parties, we're at an impasse. Good luck on trial. Have a great time. So I get in my car in Galveston, driving back up to Houston, and I'm not even over the causeway, right? 10 minutes from the courthouse, and my phone rings. And it's the plaintiff's lawyer. And the plaintiff's lawyer says, Judge, we got to settle this case. We're going to trial Monday. I said, what do you want me to do? You said you're not going to take less than $1 million. They're not going to pay $1 million. I promise you that. Oh, you got to make a mediator's proposal. You got to make a mediator's proposal. I said, well, and what I'm not making this up. While I'm talking to that lawyer, I look down, I have a call from the other side. And the defense lawyer says, Judge, you got to settle this case. We got to settle. I said, what do you want me to do? You said you wouldn't pay more than a half a million. They're not taking a half a million. Judge, you got to make a mediator's proposal. You got to make a mediator's proposal. So I get on the phone with both of them, and I thought for a minute, this is crazy. And it's not going to surprise you what my mediator's proposal was, but I made a mediator's proposal at $750,000, split the baby, both sides accepted by the time I pulled into my garage in Houston. And I was always stunned by that, but I think it is one of the impacts that this lack of experience that people have. They don't know how to try cases. And as a result, I think people are much more inclined to settle them, maybe right before trial and the courthouse steps. But I think that drives a lot of people to settlement. And I always love telling that story because it's a good one.